friends, please add physical camera draw in the viewport and select the V-Ray physical camera and go to the modify tab. Okay, and tick off the targeted point in camera on the camera. Okay, tick off the target and select the camera and place the camera in center of this room. Okay, I will place the V-Ray camera in the center of the room. Okay, and go to modify tab and camera view is set in targeted view. Okay, 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 set the and change the shutter speed, filling speed and f number in camera modify tab and take on the depth of field and expose and vertical title. Okay, then go to render setup. Okay, and choose the camera tab in render setup. Okay, select camera and type is spherical and 360-degree. Then render. Okay, rendering is completed. Okay, and go to the save button. Click the save button in V-Ray frame buffer tab. Okay, and choose type the name and choose the type is JPG. Okay, and save. Okay, thank you for joining us my video.